What's happening? TK here. Everybody doing today? I hear my good buddy Christian once again. You know, I'm going for a ride along on this beautiful Sunday. I know I got the camera angle at a different angle. I just recently bought a mount for my GoPro, and it's working out just fine. Just testing the waters out, testing everything out, make sure everything good. Yeah, back in the Dodge Challenger Demon once again. You know, this is one of the best Hemi Mopars that was ever created, and I respect it for what it is. Even though I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a die-hard Mopar fan, that doesn't mean I don't respect them. There's some, you know, like this car that I am, they're legendary in their own right because they deliver astounding performance. I mean, when they came out, what, 840 horsepower? I mean, on a race tune in a 100 octane fuel, that's amazing, you know. And it's able to do blistering 0-60s and quarter-mile times with the right setup. Of course, the one I'm in today is on a street setup, so probably not gonna be doing that. But even at 808 horsepower, this car is still a blast to drive. And I know for a fact Christian loves this car. He drives this car any chance he gets. So why not? You know what I'm saying? But like I say, I'm on the ride along, just enjoying the day. It's like mid-50s. Can't complain, you know. At least it's starting to warm up here in the Midwest.
So the sun's out today.
Sun's helping things out, warming us up. You know, it's just overall here it's just a good day to be out. So can't get to the drag setup, of course. Like I said, you will need the race ECU and the 100 octane fuel to even activate it. They did that for a reason. They said, oh, we ain't gonna let you unlock it until you get those things done. So I see, I mean, it is what it is. But even at 808 horsepower, this is no slouch. I mean, there's no question this car is blistering fast with that setup. Even on a mild setup, it's still quick. So, what's going on? Just out here, you know, floating around the city. You know, like I said, I'm riding along the Demon with my buddy Christian. Yes, sir. This beautiful Challenger Demon in plum crazy purple. This ain't no regular Challenger, man. This is the real deal, like I've been saying. Y'all see the tire size? Shoot, we got 315s on the factory tires. Y'all see that? That's the real deal.
Alright, bet, bro. Alright. Hey, Ron said he's on his way.
Alright, cool.
Clean as fuck. Appreciate it. Yo, what up, Juggin?
type of like self-control.
Man, it's such a beautiful day out here. It really is. Of course, people out here on their motorcycles right now, man. They ain't playing. Yep, just keep all the way straight. I'm not saying you on a like a racetrack about to turn on twisties with a 4,500-pound Challenger with 800 plus horsepower, man. Of course, a lot of people out here walking today, getting their exercise in. You know, I mean, today a good day to do it. TK here. I appreciate the ride along, Chris. And,
Yep. Absolutely.
like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK. Y'all take it easy.